Your New Year's resolution was to finally get a will or trust. You are in the right place. Hey girlies, my name is Jaira. I am a full-time attorney and entrepreneur, full-time fashion girly, so let's get into it. This is my January series called New Year, New Will or Trust. This is for folks who watched my 25 days of wills and trusts or are interested in getting a will or trust and want to know exactly how to implement that. So far, we have discussed evaluating your assets, finding an attorney that meets your needs, and what to do at the consultation. We have also discussed what pricing might look like. Okay, so at this point, you've retained an attorney. What's next? What I always tell my clients is that a big part of what we do before I even get drafting is the intake form. I know this sounds crazy that I'm making a whole video on it, but let me just tell you. If you give your attorney as much correct information as you can and honest information as you can, that will make the rest of the ride so much simpler. Let me give you an example. Imagine person A goes to person B and person B is the attorney, right? Person A gives them an intake form that has misspellings, and then they get back documents that have misspellings. They're upset that their documents are misspelled. Whole time, the information you gave the attorney was wrong. Another example. You were not super honest about some of your assets and locations and just your situation, right? You start the estate planning process. Your attorney has this one plan for you. You happen to share the missing information. And then they're like, well, I would have done something totally different had I known that. Those are all very real things that happen. And I'm telling you that you will save yourself a lot of frustration and money if you are accurate and upfront and honest with the information you give your attorney once you've hired them, once you're in the intake process, once they are, information gathering from you. Just be honest and be as accurate as you can. I don't care if you got to call your family members, get their numbers, get their addresses, do whatever you have to do, because that is going to make the ride that much simpler. But anyway, follow me so you can watch more of this and meet me back tomorrow for the next portion and ask me questions in the comments.